when I tell y'all, I put my foot in this. Damn. This couldn't look any better. And look at the juices flowing through there. Oh. Hey YouTube. How is everybody doing? I haven't done one of these car rides in a long time, but I think because I'm sitting in this vehicle freezing, this is why I figured I'd do a vlog with y'all. Oh, my goodness. It is cold, it is snowing, and I am still here at work. I'm just now leaving, and you know, I'm just gonna let my car warm up just a little bit. It's really cold, that's all I gotta say. And for anybody that is out here in this snow, like please, I would stress, you know, a lot that everybody drive safely because it's cold. I'm about to leave and go into Food Lion right quick, and after I get out of Food Lion, I'm going home. I think I'm gonna make some soup. Drop your comments down below on suggestions of snow meals. I know a lot of people do like chili, spaghetti. I do have spaghetti, so I might make some baked spaghetti, but I need to buy some shredded cheese, and some turkey meat. So I may just do that. That's what I might do. And make some baked spaghetti, throw that piece in the oven. Yesterday, I almost went off at the courthouse because they, I had got a speeding ticket back in November, and they went and then turned around and suspended my license for it. Now, I have never had my license suspended a day, and then they turn around and get your girl, they got your girl. Yeah, so, yeah, I was the only one in this daggone parking lot. Look at it, look at that. Like, get your life. Yeah, so, I, went up there and talked to the lady at the clerk's desk, and she tried to make it seem like she told me everything thoroughly. Oh, it's your responsibility, blah, blah, blah. I was ready to go off on her. They had to call security out there. They had to call the people with the guns. Your girl's about to be up in Henrico County Jail because I didn't appreciate that, how she tried to play me. And then I go before the judge. Listen to the tea here, this. Then I go before the judge and let him know that I am contesting the seatbelt charge because A, I had my seatbelt on. It just was not around my waist. I mean, around my shoulder right here, like what y'all see right here. It wasn't around my shoulder because my shoulder was hurting. But I did have it like this, like I always do because I'm short. I had it like this, and that cop was trying to be an asshole. So, with that being said, I'm contesting it, and guess what? The officer is not going to be in court again until April. Ain't that a fucking coincidence? Because that means by the time April comes, that's when my next court date is. By the time April comes, I'll be done paid off my ticket that they even tried to give me and just say to hell with it and not even be bothered with the courthouse. Like, for real. I'm not gonna want to be bothered with it. So yeah, I'm just like, y'all could kick rocks. For real. Yeah, just pray that I don't fall and bust my ass trying to be out here in the snow talking to y'all. But yeah, y'all can see the weather out here is crazy, and there's ice all on the goddamn floor. Oh, like it's really freaking cold. So let me go in here. Ooh. Oh, it's cold. Let me go. Look at that spaghetti sauce, guys. Hey, we about to do it big. I'm about to put the spaghetti together. Here you go. Hey YouTube. So tonight we are making, since we're having all this snow and stuff, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get this spaghetti made. I'm making my baked spaghetti because, you know, I got some haters out there that be trying to say your girl can't cook, but I got a surprise. So anywho, how is everybody doing tonight? I'm gonna sit this up here. Alright, so I'm making my spaghetti. This is my famous, it's turkey meat. Yes, it is. Everybody try to say turkey meat always comes out dry, but it doesn't. It's a certain way that you have to season your turkey to, you know. So we're gonna start this night off right with this. This is my favorite wine. I love it. I love it. I love it. If anybody ever wants to get me any presents, this is it. Give me this. I'll be your best friend. So making our spaghetti, we are using the following products. We're going to be using this type of sausage. I got these on sale at Food Lion, 2 for $5. I used this Food Lion brand. So this time I even brought me a pan because I just didn't want no accidents with this recipe, because it always, y'all go check it out though. But like I said, I'm gonna put this camera down. I'm at 30 minutes now on this video, so I do want y'all to put your thumbs up in the air if you have not already. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I want to say thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen and seeing my spaghetti. And like I said, I will show y'all the results of my put together spaghetti before and after. I'll have 2 before and after pictures of those. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye. Really look at the food. Okay. And here's the garlic bread. And nice and golden. Look at the golden. Look at the garlic all in the middle.